But my name is Dean Webster. I live in the UK. I'm 42 years of age. I run my own property maintenance company. And yeah, I've got 3 children and 2 grandchildren, so I'm actually a granddad. The look of me losing hair was, it was like a nightmare in reality. Like, it's something I didn't want. I knew it was happening. I knew I was losing my hair, and it was something I really didn't want to happen. It's like having a nightmare when you lose, when you wake up, you think you've lost your teeth, and you wake up and you're like, oh God. But yeah, the thought of me losing my hair was just absolute nightmare. So it was something that I had to have done, just for my self-confidence, I suppose. And yeah, I didn't want to keep looking at myself in the mirror and seeing that my hair was receding the way it was. So yes, so thanks to HairPalace now, it's helped me out big time. Right, my first treatment was in 2018, and I had 6,000 hair transplants done, and that was in zone 1 and zone 2. I had that done, and then a year later I decided to have a bit more of a top up, so 2019 I had the same procedure done again. And yeah, same in zone 1 and zone 2. Now I'm back for the third one. Yes, third one, because I just want to have that final top up, because most of it was concentrated on zone 1 and zone 2, but I was always a bit light at the back on zone 3. So again, I knew I was going to sort of come back if I could to have that done, and yeah, that's why I'm here now. So, but yeah, whether it's the final one or whether it's the most I can have, I don't know, but yes. Whether I'm vain or not, I don't know. Whether I like to make sure I think I try and look good, try and dress good and feel good and stuff like that. When my hair was gone, I had no confidence. I didn't want to go out. I didn't want to go to the pubs with my friends and stuff like that. I didn't want to chat to women and stuff like that, because I just felt that I wasn't happy with myself. So that's like why having the hair transplant made a massive difference. A lot of people that knew me noticed a massive difference and a change in me. Like I say, it made me look younger, and it made me feel more confident, and yeah. So yeah, that made a massive difference just by having my hair back. So yes, that was that one. When I first, again, going back to doing the research and stuff like that, years ago people used to say, when you've lost your hair, you've lost your hair, that is it, and there's no gaining your hair back. And then having it done, I was thinking, yeah, is it really going to work as good as it shows in the pictures? Yes, it does. Like, it does. To me, it does. The results I feel as I've got are amazing compared to what I was when I first came in here in 2018. So yeah, big difference. Just the friendliness of the people, the response I got from you guys. Even like every time I've asked a question, the next day I've had a response via email, or the aftercare has been amazing. And yeah, I just found the whole overall experience to be fantastic. Like, there's not one thing I can say that's bad, or you should change this, you should change that. Everything's been spot on. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for that one. I'd say if you was thinking about, even if you was thinking about doing it, because obviously you must be lacking a bit of confidence or your hair loss, just do it. I'd honestly say go and do it. You spend a lot of time debating whether to or not, and if you don't do it, you'd regret it. So if someone was asking me 100% straight up, go for it, have it done, because it makes such a difference to your life, your confidence and just stuff like that. So yeah, I would definitely recommend, if anyone was thinking about doing it in the slightest, to go for it.